It's okay to you? Yun, uminit na mga paps. Uminit na. Tapos ito, may pasahero tayo rito papuntang Makati. So, hapon yata itong pasahero ko. Oh, prank ko ba ang hapon? Ibang lahi. Nahirapan yata ako rito. Hindi ko sure kung mapaprank ko to or hindi. Try natin. Taka, men! Pangalan, sir? Pangalan? What's your name? Hidetaka. Is that correct? Yeah. Good. Shower cap. Yun. It's okay to you? It's okay? Huh? I don't know. No, Joe, I'm just joking. It's funny. It's a prank.
Hindi totoo yan.
It's a prank.